Hey, what's up guys? My name is Daniel Lopez with Invest in You Finance, and today we are going to be checking out the Webull account that I have just opened up. Today is Monday, August 29th, and we're going to see what free fractional shares Webull has given me, because initially in my first video I made, just by opening up the account, they gave me 2 fractional shares of Gap, each valued at $3. So we have a total of my initial deposit, which was $100 plus the Gap stock, and that's $106 total. But if you deposit any amount into Webull, you also get either 4 to 8 free shares. Today, let's see what free shares Webull has given me. So we're now inside the Webull website, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on the promotion center. And then in the promotion center, I'm going to look for my free stocks. So I'm going to go to view, and let's claim these 4 free shares that Webull has given me. I'm going to click claim. Claim now. Bam! PG, Procter & Gamble, $7. That's awesome. So now the account's going up. Okay. Now let's go ahead and claim the other shares. Claim now. Apple, $7 in Apple stock. Guys, this is pretty cool. The account is just going up. Okay, we got 2 more fractional shares. I have to keep going back to the promotion center tab. Okay, got 2 more left. Let's see what we can get. Claim now. Bam, another Apple share. $7. And this is just because I deposit $100 initially. But you can deposit as much as $1, I believe. Let's see what the next and last free share is. Then we can see how much the account has. Another $7 fractional share of Apple. So this is pretty cool. I got Gap from opening up the account. I got Gap shares, and now I got PG, and now I have Apple shares. Plus, in this account, the only thing I'm going to be buying with my personal money is VOO, Vanguard's ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Let's see how the account grows. We are going to be depositing $5 every day for the next year. I want to see how many trading days are left for the rest of this year. I already opened up a website, and let's see. This is swingtradesystems.com. I just Googled how many trading days are left in the stock market. So it says how many trading days left in 2022. Today is August 29th. $2022. Bam. Calculate. I see an 8. So 86 days left. And I'm going to pull up the calculator. So 86 times 5. So 430 is the principal that I will be depositing for the rest of the year. Currently, I have $100 in there, and it's on automatic reinvestments. Okay, we're in the Webull website. like I was saying, I'm gonna pull up the calculator real quick. 86 days left starting tomorrow, which is August 30th. And I've already bought, let's see how many shares of VOO. We have so far $15 worth of VOO. VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Right now it's valued at $14.75. We're currently down 0.24 cents, and unrealized gains is minus 1.61%. Gap minus 5.47%. We currently have $105 in the account. $6 was the free Gap stock that we got. Plus we got another $21 of Apple and then $7 on PG. So total right now we have, so 105 plus we got $28 in free shares. So tomorrow my account will be around $133. And currently my principal is $15, my own money. We were saying that there's 86 days left, multiplied times $5 is $430 plus the $15 initially. I've had this account open for 3 days and I've set up automatic reinvestments for $5, and I bought 3 $5 fractional shares of VOO. Total principal by the end of the year, just the money that I'm going to have invested, is going to be $445. That doesn't include if the stock goes up, down, we don't know. I'm buying it every day. I'm buying VOO every day, $5 fractional share. The market's been a little bit down these past few days. Last week it was down a little bit. Today it was down a lot, then it came back up. So we're gonna see. I mean, I don't mind buying down when the market's down. That means I'm buying VOO at a discount. That's cool with me. But we're just gonna be consistently buying $5. What will the account be at the end of the year? I don't know. Let's make some assumptions. If it's 10% annual that the stock or the ETF VOO grows, I'm just gonna start rounding numbers. I'm gonna say we have $500 and multiply times 10%. That means that the account will be up $50 plus the principal. So if I just add $50, we will be close to $500 by the end of the year. And remember guys, I want this account so that way you guys can see how easy it is to invest in the stock market. I just wanted to give you guys an update and see which free fractional shares that I got. I thought it was cool that we got Apple. I thought it was cool that we got PG. Apple gives you a dividend. I'm not sure if PG does. We'll check. But still, all I did was deposit $100 and they gave me $28. 7 shares, or 4 shares at $7 a pop. You know, 4 times 7, that's 28. So basically I put in $100, and so far, just by putting in $100, they have given me $6 plus the $28. So that's already $34 free money that they've given me, free fractional shares. That's already I mean, 30, yeah, that's already 32%. Divided by 100, yeah, that's 32. That's a 32% gain by just depositing $100 to open up the account. Now, I'm curious as to what if I only put $1 in? Would they have given me still $6 of Gap and an extra $28 for the deposit? I don't know. If you guys have opened up a Webull account and just deposit $1, let me know how much in free fractional shares they gave you. That would be cool to know. Either way, guys, I'll keep you guys updated. I thought the new Apple shares were going to pop up here, but they probably won't pop up until tomorrow. That makes sense. They're giving me $7 of Apple fractional share. So tomorrow, I'm hoping the market's down so I can get more of that fractional Apple share. And the stock market is down right now, just a little bit, not too much. For the entire year, yeah, it's down. But either way, we'll see how much the account grows by the end of the year. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you very much. If you guys have any questions, comment below, let me know. If you opened up a Webull account and just deposit $1, you can get the free 2 fractional shares just for opening up the account. Plus, that dollar deposit will give you anywhere from 4 to 8 shares. And who knows what that value will be. If anyone has done that, let us know in the comments what they gave you in fractional shares as far as the dollar amount. That'll be cool to know. This concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe, turn on that notifications bell, and I'm going to be uploading many more videos on this Webull account. First of many brokerage accounts that we are going to be opening up together. Thank you guys. Take it easy. Peace.